How's everyone doing? Dan with MarineMax and Nisswa. Behind me is a 2023 Crest Classic DLX. This is a 22-foot boat powered by a 150 Yamaha. This boat was bought brand new from our store and is now on consignment. So the nice thing for the buyer is there's no sales tax. We are just facilitating paperwork, and like I said, it was purchased brand new here, so we do know the boat well. Something I want to highlight, this has a power canopy on it. Beautiful stitching upgrade. Plenty of room for you and 12 of your friends. As we come to the front, we have a bow filler cushion, which can be removed if you would like it to not be on the boat. Storage locker in the floor. We had a couple pull-out storage drawers here. Coming over to the captain's helm. Lowrance hook reveal. So this has GPS on it. Fusion audio. Captain, co-captain layout. It's a perfect boat to get you on the water for 2026. Come check this boat out at Nisswa MarineMax.